Good morning again, people. You see this in my hand? This is $10,000. $10,000 the person go to Western Union this morning, collecting money. Goodly probably was desperate. Family sent a little change for him, and the person lost everything. And I just happened to get into Santa Cruz. Same as how my park come out of my car, I see the money in the middle of the road. And I pick it up. I search for a number on it. And I call the person. Oh my God, the person was so excited. The lady ball out, oh my God, oh my God. I said, yes ma'am, I find your money. So I'm going to meet her right now by the juicy beef to hand over her money. Alright? It pays to do good. Alright?